So you're about to begin an interior painting project and you have no idea where to start. It's perfectly okay and it's actually pretty normal, but we're here to help with that. My name is Xander Roberts and I'm from the Painting Company. We're launching a 12-part do-it-yourself video line that's going to take you step by step on how to execute your project. All the way from the tools that you're going to need to the maintenance tips to keep your project looking in a year the way that it did the day that you finished. Painting can be a tricky thing. That's why we're professionals. If your project looks like it could be too much for you to handle, feel free to reach out to us at our Atlanta location and our Nashville location. We would love the opportunity to give you an estimate and see if we can't take your project to the next level. If you are working on a project and you do have any questions in particular, you have pictures, you have information that you'd like to get, we would love to help you with that. Leave those in the comments below and we'll address those comments in future videos to come. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.